Welcome to Homepantrypro. I'm Melissa H. Fenton. Today, we're diving into a cookware set that's gaining serious attention. Its granite finish and build quality are the first things you'll notice. This 10-piece Granite Nonstick Cookware Set offers versatility right out of the box. It balances durability, heat control, and a clean, modern look. Let's test how it handles everyday cooking.
Because performance matters more than appearance. The non-stick surface heats evenly and stays consistent. No sticking, no scraping carders, just clean, smooth release. And when you're done, cleanup is effortless, because every piece is fully dishwasher safe. It feels lightweight yet sturdy in your hands.
And the cool touch handles make cooking safer and more comfortable.
Check out the complete review on kitchenbap.com, and don't forget to subscribe to Homepantrypro for more trusted kitchen reviews.